I want to state basically what a resolution is as it pertains to a lawmaker. And this comes from the West's Law Dictionary 2008. When resolutions are mere expressions of opinion, they differ fundamentally from laws. In essence, laws are intended to be permanent, direct, and control matters applied to persons or issues in general, wherever they are enforceable. By contrast, resolutions expressing the views of lawmakers are limited to a specific issue or event. They are neither intended to be permanent nor to be enforceable, nor do they carry the weight of court opinions. In certain respect, they resemble the opinions expressed by a newspaper on its editorial page, but they are nonetheless indicative of the ideas and values of elected representatives, and as such commonly mirror the outlook of voters. And that is what we're discussing tonight, is that phase of what a resolution is. Okay, the next item is item number 11, discussion and possible action on resolution 649 and 669 with possible action. Mr. Sweeten, would you discuss this first?
Yes, Mayor. These two resolutions that are placed on item 11, what it does, it brings back two resolutions that were passed by the City Council at a time when only one of the current City Council members was on the council. It brings them back, and there are three things that the council can do. The first is nothing. The second is amend the two resolutions, or amend one or two of the resolutions. And the third would be to repeal the resolutions. The reason that this was brought forward at the time that it was is that the BLM came up and was working on a resource management plan. In the course of working on that plan, they never held a public meeting here in Mesquite. We were lucky enough to have them come up to one city council meeting. The city council asked at that city council meeting whether they would be willing to extend the time period. Subsequent to that, we found out that they were not willing to extend the time period. This is the first city council meeting since we found out about that we were able to put something on. And that is why it's on, because they're in the course of doing this resource management plan, and you as the city council and mayor had asked me to put it on. Now, the reason the city attorney's office has petitioned it is we're talking about the legal status of these resolutions. That's inextricably intertwined with the duties and role of the city attorney's office. So I know there's probably a lot of folks here to talk about this, so I will submit it over to council and any legal questions that you might have on this item. I'm here to answer.
I'm going to first open it up to council, and then I will open it up for public comment. Public first on this. Okay.